Hi, I'm Koya Webb, and I'm going to show you how to make my favorite dirty kale salad. All you need is a couple ingredients: your brags, avocado, lemon or lime, hemp seeds, and tomatoes, or whatever you'd like to top your salad with. So you're going to get started with your kale. I got a bag of shredded kale, but you could de-stem your own kale, and it would be about 2 bunches. And to that, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of your brags. I'm just going to eyeball it here because that's fun for me. If it's not fun for you, then you can measure out 2 tablespoons. And then to that, I'm going to show you how I love to deep hit my avocado. So you just take the knife, tap it, twist it, and it comes right out. So getting that out, and you don't even need a spoon. Just take your thumbs. And I call this rimming your avocado. Just go around the rim and it pops right out. And you get most of your avocado. If not, you can use your hands. I use my hands when I make these salads. It's what's fun about it. So we're gonna get some more out. Oh yeah, and it feels good. This is so great to make with children, whether you have children in your home or at your school. They love getting their hands nice and messy. So it's fun. Now for my lime. Now it's always fresh is always best, using fresh lime because lime is non-hybrid, and lemon is also great. Now if you don't have a lemon or lime, I definitely would suggest having essential oils in your home, especially if you're traveling, you want to make a quick salad. Even if you don't have tomatoes, avocado, brags, and then the lime essential oil or lemon essential oil will make this salad taste amazing. And you only need 2 drops, so I'm going to do 1 drop. And the second one comes out on its own, maybe even a third one, but 1 to 3 drops, absolutely fine. That's all you need because a little goes a long way. And so this is the doTERRA essential oils, and it says essential oil supplement. You want to make sure you're not ingesting your oils unless it says it's a supplement. And I just want to point that out because a lot of people think you can just ingest the oil that you like buy at the convenience store, but normally those have not been purified in a way that you can ingest them. And when you are ingesting them, even if it is a supplement, you want to make sure that you've talked to someone who is well versed in how to ingest essential oils, because anything, overdose of anything could be not so great. All right, so 1 to 3 drops of that. And then now we're going to put the love in it. We're just going to massage the kale. And this is what I call putting the love in it. So this is all about thinking positive thoughts about yourself, whoever you're sharing this meal with. And oh, it smells so good. Like I can already start to smell the lime infused. And you saw how big the kale was, and now it's getting a lot smaller. The beautiful thing about massaging your kale is it makes it better for your digestion. It really breaks down the walls of your kale. And look how beautiful that is. Just so beautiful, and it's supposed to be messy. You want to make sure it's very well coated. Perfect. All right, my hands are messy. I normally just lick my fingers, but since we're rolling, I will spare you all the smacking on my fingers, and I'll just use these pre-wet napkins I have here just to wipe everything off. Okay, awesome. And now I am going to plate my salad. So when you're plating your salad, you want to build it up like a pyramid. I learned this from my friend who is a chef, and you want to build it as tall as possible. And some fall on the side, is absolutely fine, but build it nice and tall, almost to where it comes at a peak. Make sure you get it all out. Again, bringing it nice and tall, letting it fall to the sides. If you see any holes, go ahead and fill those up. All right, there you go. That looks amazing. And now you just want to add your tomatoes. Looks like I'm going to just put my tomatoes all around because it's so high. I don't know if I can get any on top. Maybe I'll take it down just a little bit. You can always lower your temple of kale as much as you like. Okay, I think that looks good. Placing your tomatoes however you want. All right, awesome. Wiping my hands some more. Layering. Normally I would just wash my hands and use just a a towel, like a hand towel or something like that, because this is very much wasting my paper towels. But since I'm filming, that's the only reason I'm using it in that way. Now to that, I'm going to just sprinkle on my hemp seeds. 1 tablespoon of hemp seeds. All right, there you have it. A nutritious, delicious, dirty kale salad. Try out this recipe. It's my absolutely favorite recipe. I've made it so many times, but every time I do something different. I also love putting walnuts and raisins on top, even some fresh fruit, whatever you want. Make it your own. Try out some different recipes and let me know what you come up with. Leave them in the comments below. All right, let's give it a taste. This is so good. It tastes like bacon. If you don't believe me, just try it. But it's fresh, it's yummy, it's hearty, it's great. Try it. I'll see you next time. Love yourself, love others, and love the world. Get loved up.